Hello, welcome to AI Factory.
To put this fake roach in his American deli, he's gonna be so mad, y'all.
Yo, what's good?
What I got for him?
Oh.
So as I was saying, you will not believe what happened.
Yo, what is this? Are you serious right now?
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want me to do another prank. If so, what? So, my new babies! Throat fighting for its life. Why it tastes like delicious hellfire in here?
It's crazy how you bump into somebody and they become your person.
Step 1, don't be dumb like me and glue your eyeballs shut. Use the damn mirror. Not your front cam. Step 2, pray. These tweezers do not got my back today. Hey, hold up. P-E-R-A-D. That's 1 cluster down, 39 to go. I'm basically a licensed esthetician now. Y'all see the vision? I look like a tired fairy. A sexy one.
Y'all all L, look at me. I did that. Don't ask me to do them again. I was fighting for my damn life, but I did that.
This new restaurant in LA has matcha mac and cheese, and I couldn't get here fast enough. Oh my God, y'all. I can't even lie, this is dangerous.
Hey y'all, just wanted to give you a quick peek inside the new G-Wagon.
Have you noticed while scrolling that every trending video seems to feature someone flawless? Perfect skin like it's 3D modeled, ideal lighting, 0 stutters, and when you check the comments, it's always, who is she? That makeup is insane. Wait, she's AI? That's right. Many of these people you're seeing online aren't real. They're entirely AI-generated personas, beauty gurus, fitness coaches, mukbang stars, motivational speakers, all crafted by artificial intelligence. The line between reality and virtuality is disappearing. These AI characters move, speak, express emotion, and even interact with you. Some are even live streaming, and most viewers can't tell they're not real. We've gone from that's clearly photoshopped to that's not even a real human. And here's the scary part, scammers are already using these AI characters to catfish, sell fake products, and collect donations. Today, I want to show you a massive trend that's already quietly transforming the internet. It doesn't knock, it doesn't wait. It's already here. AI-generated virtual humans are taking over social media. Before you get tricked, here's how you can spot the difference between real and AI-generated humans.
Hey y'all, so I'm here to give you some tips on what AI content is and how you can use it.
How to quickly spot an AI fake. Hand movements. Too many fingers, jelly-like gestures, or weirdly stiff hands. Mouth sync. Lip movements out of sync with speech, or ultra-smooth expressions that look animated. Glitches. Eyebrows morph, earrings float, or hair melts into the background. Repeating phrases. AI often reuses scripted lines and lacks natural variation. Want to create your own AI persona? Let me show you how. Believe it or not, you can start making these videos today with just AI tools. No studio, no fancy gear, just smart prompts and a little creativity.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
Oh, what manner of magic is that?
Google recently launched Veo 3, a tool that generates short videos of talking virtual humans based on text prompts. It creates up to 8-second clips, but you can stitch them together for longer content. The process is super simple. Go to the Veo homepage. You'll find the link in the description box below this video. You'll see 2 options: generate with Flow or use Gemini. Choose Try with Gemini. Then enter your prompt. Describe your character and the environment. The system will generate an 8-second AI video clip in just a few seconds. But keep in mind, Veo 3 isn't completely free. You'll need a Gemini Advanced Plus account. The good news is, Google gives you a 1-month free trial, so you can use that time to test whether you can start making money with it. Finding useful tools to generate AI videos is surprisingly easy, but crafting a truly effective image prompt is the key ingredient. So here are a few pro tips to help you nail it. If you want consistency across your AI influencers' videos, make sure your prompt includes character details, age, gender, ethnicity, specific visual cues. Be detailed and descriptive in how you write your prompt. Background setting. Is it a bedroom, beach, gym, Set the video's vibe. Should it feel cozy, inspirational, or funny? Include action and emotion. Gestures, expressions, like raising a hand, furrowing brows, or smiling. Here we need to enlist the help of ChatGPT. Concept overview for Google Veo prompt. Create a highly realistic short video featuring a young African-American woman, approximately 22 years old, styled as a beauty influencer. The scene is set inside a sunlit, modern bedroom with warm natural lighting spilling in from a nearby window. Soft shadows and neutral tones add to the cozy atmosphere. Visual description. She is casually dressed in a beige midi-length wrap dress paired with wedge heels. A blush pink trench coat hangs over the back of her chair. The room features subtle personal touches, a small potted plant, books on a nightstand, and a hint of gentle clutter to suggest authenticity. Camera movement. The camera perspective mimics a handheld smartphone vlog. Slightly imperfect framing, gentle motion, and an intimate angle at eye level. The subject looks directly into the lens with relaxed facial expressions, smiling occasionally, blinking naturally, and lightly gesturing with her hand as she speaks. The video should feel like a typical TikTok beauty tip clip, warm, inviting, and unscripted in style. Also, give me a voiceover with a natural, relaxed vibe for this AI influencer, something that feels casually confident, just like a real beauty creator speaking to her followers. ChatGPT quickly generated a detailed prompt based on the instructions, including character appearance, outfit, pose, camera setup, mood, and video length, which you'll need to adjust to 8 seconds. Specific breakdown of the on-screen visual actions. The voiceover is written in a relaxed, beauty influencer style. Just copy and paste the prompt generated by ChatGPT. Once you get the video, use an editing tool like CapCut, Premiere, or any mobile app to stitch it together. That's it. All done. Here's another example I'd like to share with you. I'm building a TikTok account centered around a hyper-realistic AI beauty creator. The goal is to produce a short video clip that looks and feels exactly like content from a real person's feed. Character and setting. The AI influencer should appear as a young African-American woman in her early 20s, sitting inside a modern, nicely decorated car parked on a bustling New York City street. Through the windows, we should see the energy of the city. Pedestrians walking by, the reflection of tall buildings, and maybe even traffic noise in the distance. The camera should mimic smartphone behavior, with slightly imperfect handheld movements, intimate close-ups, and expressive facial details like natural blinking, casual smiles, and subtle gestures. The interior of the car should feel personalized. Maybe there's a beaded mirror charm, a reusable coffee cup, or a cozy throw on the seat, something that hints at her personality and daily routine. The overall mood should feel relaxed, confident, and authentic. Considering my current needs, here are the prompts ChatGPT generated for me. The video style prompt includes rich visual cues and enhancements, while the voiceover script has a natural, casual vibe, perfect for TikTok content. How to monetize an AI influencer account. Many creators have launched TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels channels using AI characters, quickly gaining followers, selling products, and landing brand deals. With Veo, you can generate up to 3 videos a day. Each clip is only 8 seconds long, but if the content is compelling, even 24 seconds total can captivate your audience. To start monetizing, you'll need to meet TikTok's basic requirements: 10,000 followers, 100,000 views in the past 30 days. Inspiration examples: AI Pet Channel. Share daily AI-generated cat adventures and dog vlogs. AI Relationship Coach. Post heartwarming quotes and love advice. AI Cooking Channel. Feature mouth-watering dishes that look amazing, but don't actually exist. AI videos aren't the future, they're already happening. Stop just watching from the sidelines. Before everything gets hyper-competitive, you still have time to create a unique AI persona and start your content journey. Don't forget to like and follow. I'll see you next time. And hey, share your AI influencer experience in the comments. Who knows? The next breakout account could be yours.